Hello everyone, welcome to my Capstone project named Virtual Assistant for Elderly Care. A virtual assistant for elderly care is designed to provide personalized support and companionship to elderly individuals, helping them with tasks, offering reminders for medication and appointments, and addressing emotional needs through conversation and engagement. This technology aims to enhance the quality of life for seniors by promoting independence and reducing feelings of loneliness and isolation. Now, I shall explain the code. This code defines a conversation between a user, here example is grandma, and a virtual assistant represented by two animated sprites named Toby and Lady. Here's a brief explanation of what the code does. Two sprites are initialized, Toby and Lady. These sprites are used to represent the virtual assistant characters in the conversation. Here, several libraries or modules are important, including time, text recognition, text to speech, speech recognition, and ChatGPT. These libraries handle various aspects of text recognition, speech synthesis, speech recognition, and chat-based natural language processing. Now here the script enters into an infinite loop using while true. The loop continues until the user decides to exit. The virtual assistant, represented by Toby, asks the user, "Hello grandma, how can I help you?" and waits for the user input, which is stored in the variable prompt. If the user input is exit, which is case sensitive, the virtual assistant Lady responds with a message, and both Toby and Lady speak using text to speech synthesis. Then the script breaks out of the loop, effectively ending the conversation. If the user input is not exit, the virtual assistant Toby uses a chat based GPT referred to as AI assistant to respond to the user's input. The response from the GPT is stored in the variable answer, and both Toby and Lady speak the response using text to speech synthesis. The script then enters another loop where it analyzes camera input for handwritten text using tr.analyzeCamera handwritten text function. The backdrop displayed by Toby sprite changes using the sprite.nextBackdrop. Depending on the result of the handwritten text recognition, tr.handwritten text result, the virtual assistant responds with specific messages related to medicine, loneliness, depression, reminders, importance, or a generic try again message here. The responses are spoken using text to speech synthesis. The script includes time sleep after each spoken message to allow for pauses in the conversation. Now we shall see the working of the code. So here the user has to give the input. So, as Grandma is fond of reading, I've asked the question name of Sudha Murthy's latest book. So, here
The latest book by Sudha Murthy is called Grandma's Backup Stories too.
so here the answer is given by the AI assistant. Now, as Grandma does not want to ask any further questions, I will type exit, which is case sensitive.
Toby, help me with something else. Okay, show me your card.
Now here Grandma wants to know I have written medicine 1. So Grandma wants to know which medicine is to be taken and where it is kept.
Digine. It is kept in box number 1.
Okay, so she has got the answer for her medicine where it is kept.
Thank you.
Now let us see what assistant is saying. If
Don't feel lonely, Grandma. I am always there for you. Just let's go down memory lane and tell me some exciting experience.
okay, so here is the
Let's go outside.
and one more we will take that is important.
Oh yes, tell me. All ears are listening to you.
Okay, so here the assistant is ready to hear to Grandma. And so this is the end of the project. So in this summary of the project, this project sets up a conversation between a user and two virtual assistant characters, Toby and Lady. The virtual assistant can respond to user input, recognize handwritten text from camera input, and provide appropriate responses based on recognized text. Further, in this project, speech recognition can also be used for the user to speak wherever the user wants to express and feels that they should be listened to. Hope you all like the project. Thank you.